You have reached your destination.
Yep. And here is the start of today's conundrum. I'm going to strip this, but I'm not going to cut it down. I think, I think that somewhere around here is where I'm going to cut this hood, which means I'll cut it here and give myself some room to maneuver with that aluminum, so I can shape that somehow. Got some research to do on this one. Forming aluminum isn't tough. I mean, it's very soft metal. But forming it to the shape of what I eventually cut off on that front portion is going to be the difficult part. Maybe not difficult, but of concern. I think if I ever do this again, I'm going to use the rear half as its own trailer and the front half as a second trailer, if I ever do this kind of thing again. But I don't think it's going to be very tough to strip all this crap off. I mean, I've got some peeling paint, mud, sand, and a lot of rust. So a lot of rust, big freaking deal. That stuff is easy to treat, take care of, and otherwise convert. Stripping this will probably take a couple hours. Today's a Thursday, and I got to do a lot of housework and stuff, so I probably won't hit this until, I don't know, Saturday or Sunday. So, whoops, enough for now. Okay, so I've got, let's see, probably 4 hours into stripping this. It's been quite a chore, and I've got some repairs here to do. I'm going to replace this metal from about here to, here, just the that portion of it, and some treatment of some of the metal where I just can't get a wire wheel or whatnot. I also intend to not touch a whole hell of a lot of this. You can see where there's a lot of rust, flaking paint, that kind of thing. My intention, and some other thing, at some point there was damage on this plane right here. So you can see this, and on the corresponding side, nice even here and here. So there's been some damage to this thing that has been repaired out. I can see some dimpling in the aluminum there. So I'm very likely to make my cut right about here, all the way across. I will then trim this back out to about right here, and then fold that up to make a nice square portion that lines up, the end of it being here to here. So, yeah. I'm kind of confused about this. I don't recall on my MG's hood, if it feels like that, but you never know. So I'm not going to pry that back up or fix it. All I'm going to do is fix this, and then start doing some rust treatment with chemicals, and then call it good, at least for the hood, And I almost forgot about this. This is the wood that goes inside the hood. It's not wet. Well, maybe it is wet, but it's definitely not dry. When I took it out, I had, it was stored under my deck, which does, of course, drip. So I think this hood has seen some water, definitely from my taking of it. So I'm going to probably put this in my front window where I get a lot of sun, let it dry out, then I'm going to strip it and soak it in some treatment. What do you call it? Not rust inhibitor. Water repellent for wood. I've got a bunch of that still left over. Okay, that's done. Taking a picture from a different angle here. Light's about to go out and I need to take a shower, so Not bad. Yeah, I kind of like it. I've got some imperfections in here, but it's a dip in the metal, and I don't want to fill that with weld. So this I'm gonna leave a little bit of spatter there. I can clean that up. Yeah, this is why I wear gloves. So yeah, I'm done for that. Done for the night. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad.